Alright, I believe I am recording. I believe today is day. Let's check, boys. Let's check. Oh, not studio, sorry. Let's see where we at, man. I think we're day 4 or 5. Not entirely sure. We are day 5 now. We're day 5. Yeah. Yeah, we went crazy this day. Uploaded yesterday. Kind of doing shit, but yeah. We're day 4. Whoever's watching this, if you want to know more about me, or join the Discord where a lot of people that connect with each other on, and me and my friend created, is on there. This is my homie right here. He goes crazy, man. Who influenced me to do this? But yeah. I think today I wanted to do 2 things. Hopefully solve this. I tried looking at it before I started doing the YouTube video, and kind of looks hard. So yeah, kind of looks hard. I feel like it's just another step to the other anagram problem that we solved, if I'm not mistaken. Isn't this the other anagram? No, I swear we solved another anagram problem. Oh, valid anagram. Fuck, I'm stupid. Yeah, let's check if it's true or false. Yeah, but I thought maybe I can review dictionaries. Kind of trash at it, so I think I'm just review this really fast, because I already done all these before. I just want to do it all over again. But yeah, we are gonna try to do this problem. I'm gonna try to do it for like, so 3:07. I gotta leave in an hour 40. So if I don't solve it after I finish dictionary, so this would probably take like 30 minutes, and then I'll try to solve this in 30 minutes, or 30 minutes to 40 minutes. If I can't do it, then we'll watch the video, try to understand what the hell I was doing wrong. But yeah, let's just get this over with. So for dictionaries in Python are used to store data values and key to value pairs. We know this. Dictionaries are a great way to store groups of information. You use curly braces and you add key value pairs. So brand, Toyota Camry, year 2019. Here, car is the variable, right? Assigned to dictionary containing brand, model, and year, which are the keys. I thought this was the value. Hold on, am I tripping? Here, the car variable. Oh, the car variable, right, is assigned to a dictionary that contains keys, right? And these keys corresponding values are, there you go, that's what I meant. So yeah, this key, okay, this is a variable, key to variable. So cool. Assignment, complete the get character record. It takes the character's name, server, level, and rank, right? And returns a dictionary within the following keys. What? Complete the get character record function. It takes a character's name, server, level, and rank. Level and rank as individual inputs, and returns a dictionary of the following keys. String keys. Name, server. Oh, I see what's happening. So, okay. Create and return a dictionary with the keys above. Assign each 4 inputs from the matching key, name to name. Next, we can't have 2 characters named Blood Warriors 1, 2, 3 on the same server. For the 5th key ID, create a unique value as the following. Holy moly. It's a fucking legal problem by itself. Create a unique value follows concatenate the name and the server inputs number in the middle for given name, Blood Warriors, then ID. Okay. You can return the direction. I recommend using F-string to create ID field. Holy moly, what's up with this problem? This is the first goddamn thing to do, bro. Holy shit. Whatever, we'll just do it. As individual inputs and returns name server level. Bruh, what the fuck? Right, and then we put dude, what name? Bro, is this the first one, bro? What's happening? My mouse is tripping. Bro, there's no way this is the first. My god, then. What the fuck? So return. That's what I was trying to get to. Return the name. Oh, which is name, server, level, ranked. Okay. Duplicate keys. Yeah, you can't have duplicate keys. You cannot have 2 of the same key in the same dictionary. If you try to use the same key twice, the first value will simply be overwritten. Give me 1 second, guys. Hold up. Okay. Sorry. Got a text. I had to read it. Because dictionaries rely on unique keys, you can't have 2 of the same key in the same dictionary. If you try to use the same key in the, yeah. So this right here is gonna be a problem. The level and level, I'm guessing. The get character record function takes in name, level, following keys, where the ID is the name. ID is the name, and the server calculated with the number. No, we can't have 2 Blood Warriors on the same. Wait, name, server. Level is level 1 rank. What is the problem? Another developer chain has introduced a bug, the duplicate keys in the dictionary. Function takes in name, server, level, rank. It should return a dictionary with the following field. Name, server, level, rank, ID. Where the ID is the name. ID is the name. And the server concatenated together with numbers in the middle for uniqueness. We can't have 2 name. Name for the server 2 level. So what the fuck you want me to do? Remove this? Oh, you can't have two of the same keys, right? Server. Oh, ID has server. So ID is Blood Warrior server 1. And then this has server 1. What has server 1? Name Blood Warrior server 1. Oh. I'm not getting the fucking problem, bro. Holy shit. Another developer on has been introduced because okay. I think I'm just going too fast. Because dictionaries rely on unique keys. You can't have two of the same key in the same dictionary. If you try to use the same key twice, the first value will simply be overwritten. Because dictionaries rely on unique keys. You can't have the two of the same key in the same dictionary. Brother, I don't see the different key, bro. Oh, this key? Because I see two level key. Wait. Aren't these variables? Oh, and then this is the key. Right? Variable and key. Is that how it works? The keys corresponding values. The keys. See, brand model are keys containing keys. Yeah, you can't have the same keys. You can't have the same keys. Name, server, level, rank. So should I just delete these? Right. Makes sense. Okay. Cause you can't. I don't know why they have the numbers. It's just those. Okay. All right. I think we can skip these problems. I should delete that and try it myself. If you're unsure whether a key exists in dictionary, use in keyword. Cars, Ford, F-150, Toyota. Print Ford in the double true. Okay, cool. Damn, I should actually have some water near me. God damn. We need to be able to report to our players how many enemies are in their immediate vicinity, but they want to count of each enemy by its kind. We need to be able to report to our players how many enemies are in their immediate vicinity. Right. But they want the count of each enemy by its kind. Fix count enemies function. It accepts input. It accepts input enemy names. Right. A list of strings. So we're gonna get a list of strings from enemy names. The problem is that we need to report to players how many enemies are in the immediate vicinity, but they want the count of each enemy by its kind. Okay. A list of strings. It should return a dictionary where the keys are all enemy names from the list. The values are the counts of how many times appear in the list. Run the code to say it will raise a key error. Fix the code. Here. No, there's nothing here. Oh, we want to do a pass or something. So input is Jackal, Kobold, Soldier, expecting Jackal 1, Kobold 1, Soldier 1. So we just need to return the dictionary, I guess. See, there's two Jackals, so then you just have to up it by 1. Okay, I think I have an idea. So obviously we need a dictionary, so we'll just say damn, that's already there. D equals the empty dictionary. So now we're gonna have to go through each one. So we gotta go for enemy and me in enemy names we have the enemy names. We would like to put the enemy name into the dictionary. So we could do for enemy names, we could do D enemy equals 1. If enemy in D enemy plus equals 1, else then we'll just return D. There we go, boys. Correct. Nice. Nice. Alright, so my logic is that we iterate through enemy list. If the enemy, as I said, the in keyword here, if enemy is in the dictionary already, we'll just add 1 to the already enemy that's in there. Else, we're just gonna add the enemy equals to 1, and then we return the dictionary. Boom. Let's go. Okay. Iterating over a dictionary in Python. We can iterate over dictionary keys using the same no index syntax we used to iterate over the values in a list. I read that too fast. We can iterate over a dictionary's keys using the same no index syntax we used to iterate over the values in a list, right? With access to the dictionary keys, we also have access to the corresponding values. So for name and fruit sizes, size equals fruit sizes and name, right? And then size is going to be both these, I'm guessing. So the name, I see what is going on. So the name should be apple. It's the key, right? We're going through we're iterating over the dictionary keys. So key apple, and the size is small. Right here, the size is basically here, and then it's gonna do the same. I see. This is actually very helpful. This will be very, very helpful. So the assignment, we need to display the players' screens. Wait, our players' screens. What's the most common? We need to display on our player screens what the most common enemy in a given area of the map is. So given the get most enemy function, iterating all enemies in dictionary, returning only the name of the enemy with the highest count. If there are no enemies, return none value. If there are multiple enemies with the same highest count, return the first one. Enemy dictionary is a dict is a dictionary of name count. Example: jackal. Okay. Okay, this one's kind of tricky. I think I gotta go like step by step here, because this is some shit. Okay. So so this enemy dictionary, I believe they already said enemy dict is a dictionary with the name and an account. Now we need to get to here. How do I start this? So I can just do How should I solve this problem? Can I set a variable to a key and value? If that makes sense. Like, okay, what I'm thinking is we're gonna iterate through the dictionary's keys and then get its value, and if that value man. Okay. So what they're gonna want here, they're gonna want to see, so, I see they just want the key. So we're gonna iterate through Jackal, Kobold, Soldier, Gremlin. What I'm thinking is we set something to, like, say the first thing is set to Jackal 4. Then we go to the next thing. If Kobold value is greater than Jackal, set that variable to Kobold. I think we can do that. Okay. So x is equal to shit, this is kind of a harder problem. How should I do this? Okay, I stop bitching and just try something. I don't know. I'm just doing for enemy and enemy in enemy's dict. We want to see I'm just gonna say if enemy, well, we gotta do enemy's dict enemy is greater than x, we're gonna set x to equal enemy's enemy dict with enemy. If there's another issue though here. It says I remembered it. None. This one. If there are no enemies, return none. Else, I guess we do return none. Right here we're gonna return. Fuck. So x is gonna be enemy dict, so we're gonna return x. Hold up, let's just try this. Shit. Ain't nothing happen. Okay, why don't I do this? Okay. Oh, it's gonna return that. Ah, nice. So I think we just return the enemy. What's this here? What did I do? Oh. 5. Now we're gonna return. Hold up, guys. Okay. So we return the value, which is correct, but they want the key, which is the problem. How do I do this? How do I do this? I just need to return the key. There's a problem though, like if this doesn't work, what happens if there's nothing? If enemy's dict is equal to none, return none. Okay, cool. Shit, I got the value, but no. Fuck. Is there a way I could get the value? Can I just do something like y equals fuck, I don't know, 0, and I could just store y equals x equals dictionary enemy, which is the number, and I could just store the enemy here, right? And I could just return y. Holy shit. Fuck. We failed the one, which is the none. No. So I guess this doesn't work. Same shit. One failed. Well, I'm gonna try something. Free. Rather, just search it up. If we say n is empty here, and we print n, well, let's just print an empty. There's nothing in it, like. So, if there's no enemies, return none value. Brother, how the fuck do I return none? If the enemy's dictionary is just empty, right? Like, look, the inputs is like is expecting none. It just gives you an empty. Fuck. If I'm saying, like, how would I know? Say the dictionary is empty. What would this be? Like, this has to be, like, is there some, like, shit, like, If dictionary is empty in Python and you want to return none, how do you do that? Okay, what do you want me to do? Do this? There's no way this is gonna work. If enemies dict is equal to a goddamn empty bracket, return none. There's no way, bro. Yeah, it doesn't work like that. Like, it has to say like, is it 0? No. What the hell? If we know that, how can we know if it doesn't have nothing? Like, if enemy dict contains nothing, bro. Python return none if dict doesn't have key. Yeah, right. Okay, I want to return none. Okay, what are people? You can use or operator or return none. Oh, none. Wait, what the fuck? I did that. I'm tripping. Like, what? I thought I found like gold or some shit. No. If what? If value is empty version. Nah, fam. Nah. There's some shit I gotta ChatGPT, even though I hate doing that. I guess we're gonna learn something. No, I'm not gonna do that. Command copy. Okay. Yeah, no shit. If so if not enemies, bro, holy shoot, I'm so sorry. No, it didn't work. If not enemies, return none. Y equals none. Bro, this if not enemies, return none. X equals 0. I guess it could be 0 or none, it doesn't matter, but it's correct. What did I do? What was wrong with mine? Cause the Y was none? Or was it because it was inside the loop? Oh, this works as well. Damn, why is that weird? That's weird. Oh, because it's 0. Dumbass. Hold up. Hold up. If this was none. Oh my god, it works. That's why I was returning 0. That's why I was returning 0, because we're returning Y, and Y is not. Then there's no point of this. Brother, I could just go like this then. See, correct. What the fuck? That's weird. Whatever. Let's move on. I saw this problem before. Is it the plus or the merge? Merge take to just merging both of them. Complete the merge function. I think we're good. Sets. Will that be important here? I don't know. Should we start this problem? It's gonna be some shit. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna do this, but oh man. I do need to make a TikTok today. I gotta make a TikTok today. Alright, I'm gonna try this problem for 30 minutes. If I don't know how to flip to solve this, bro, I gotta look at the solution because it looks a little hard, man. But, okay. So alright, so given an array of strings, which is strs, group all anagrams together into a sublist. So it's a list, but we're grouping hat by itself because it doesn't have any other anagram except ACT got cat, act got cat, stop, pots, and tops are together. You may return the output any order. The anagram is a string that contains the exact same character. Yeah, we know. Oh! Man, fuck. There's some stuff I want to try out before doing this, so I have an idea. So if I put 4x in strs, if we print x, this should print act, pots, tops, cat, hats. Right, we're going through each one. How the hell do I make a sublist? Now this is some hard dictionary shit. Like, act, pots, top. So I was thinking, but this is what I'm thinking. I don't know if this is possible, but so the first thing I'm thinking is we iterate through strs. Then after we iterate, the fuck do you make a list in a list, bro? Fucking list? Cause I remember we checked if this and this are together. And I remember if the length aren't the same, like you see cat and stop are not the same length, so automatically they're not gonna be together. We know that. So I say act. So act is in a list. If act sorry. If act and pots are not the same length, move on. If tops and act are not, move on. These are the same length. Now, how do we check if an anagram? What did we do? What did we do? What did we do? Oh, we checked the character? Holy shit, this is OD. Okay, this was checking the length. So this is fucking stupid. I remember this, so fuck this. For character, if character not in hash set S. Fuck, this is OD long. If character not in hash set. So we're gonna make a dictionary in a dictionary? Lord, man. This problem is kind of it's a little hard. It's a little hard. Problem is, guys, is like, I really have no background in the data structures. I forgot a lot. So I think I gotta I think I'm gonna just low-key grind. I'm really thinking I should just grind, because I'll show you guys. Look, I gotta make it to here. When I make it here is when, once I finish this, I can do the Necode and LeetCode. Because I mean, honestly, the easies were easy though. So I'm thinking I should just go on LeetCode, bro. LeetCode and find an easy. You know what I mean? Find it easy and just do those. Because I don't know how the fuck to do this. And I don't want to cheat myself. But I still want to LeetCode. You know what I mean? Hold up, guys. Let me do some signing in. So it's like, fuck. Honestly, I can't rush LeetCode if I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Like, when it was talking about hash sets, I don't even know what a hash set is. Honestly, I think I'm gonna just continue doing the course that I'm doing, and then once I finish the data structures and algorithms, I'll start doing the Necode again. I think that's the best possible way. Well then, I guess for now, Sorry guys. 4W. I think I'm gonna just do the course, I guess, on these YouTube videos until I can make it to the legal, because it's kind of hard. But I'll try to grind off YouTube as well to get this done. I'll just stream it because it's a lot. Like I gotta finish object oriented programming, then there's this asteroids game, like this pie game thing, like. I don't know. I have to do this data structures and algorithms in Python first. Because, like, hold up. Let me check something. Yeah, man. Honestly, forget about the NeetCode right now. I think I'm going to just change gears and do object-oriented programming on stream on YouTube and see if I can go a little bit faster, and then until I could get to the data structures, and then go back to the NeetCode and then build projects and stuff. My problem is, before this, I would low-key, like, my past self would just go straight into NeetCode and do it, but not understand it. You know what I mean? Like, try to solve it, don't understand it, look at the solution. I feel like I'm not learning like that. I don't know. 2, 4, 3. What the fuck? Hold up. I'm looking at the LeetCode.com right now. I'm trying to find some problems that I can do on my own that still continue to do stuff, but okay. Give me 1 second, guys. I guess I'm just trying to find some easier, so we could just do valid parentheses today. Trying to find the goddamn search button, buddy. Man, where is this? Oh, God. Oh, man. So it's in a string. Okay, I have an idea in my head, but it's probably the shittiest. So we look at each character. Kind of a harder problem. I'm kind of lost. Honestly, I'm gonna just do this on stream, man. I think I'm gonna just continue doing these, cause I can't leak code. I don't know how to do these problems. Like I could do it, but it's probably gonna be the shittiest like way. You know what I mean? The way that I was thinking is, okay, looking at each character, putting this in a dictionary equal to a number 0. If this parentheses is equal to this parentheses is true. If this number is equal to this number, true. If this number, this key, which equals to 0, which is gonna be 1, is equal to that key, which is 1, and then return true. That's the way I was thinking. That's probably the most shittiest way. You know what I mean? Like, I know there's a more optimal way, and I can't do that right now. So I think I'm just grind this Python thing and then try to get better, and then when I get to the data structures point, I'll get better at data structures, and then boom, go back to NeetCode and be crazy at it, and just do like 2-3 problems a day of NeetCode. So I guess for now on stream, on YouTube, sorry I keep saying stream because I do stream as well. I think on YouTube I'm gonna just do the oops, I guess. So sorry whoever's watching this. I'm doing this as I go, and I'm not the best, so please forgive me. So right now I think I'm just doing the object-oriented programming on YouTube. So let's see how much I can do in 30 minutes. So let's see. Welcome to object-oriented programming. Object-oriented OOP is a pattern for allegedly writing clean and maintainable code. Admittedly, not everyone agrees to object-oriented programming is the best way to write code, but to be a good engineer, you should at least understand it. Throughout the course, we'll be coding small bits of real-time strategy game called Age of Dragons. Players must control armies of humans, elves, or orcs. What the fuck? Dragons in top-down battles and similar of Age of Empires of StarCraft. Assignment: one of the greatest sins. Okay, I don't know if I'm supposed to be looking at this, so I'm just gonna delete this. I've done this before, but I stopped. One of the greatest sins when trying to write clean code is misleading variable and function names. Take a look at the destroy wall function. It takes a list of, okay, so I guess we do keep this. It takes a list, where are we? It takes a list of input, each representing the wall, health of wall, and returns a new list of each entry of 0 or less. Remove. Based on its name, you might assume that destroy wall destroys a single wall. But if you look closely, you see that it handles multiple walls. Alright, so 0, 20. Name destroy walls is not defined. Excuse me. One of the greatest sins, sorry, I'm gonna read this again because I'm trying to understand. One of the greatest sins when trying to write clean code is misleading variable and function names. Yeah. Take a look at the destroy wall function. We're looking at it right here. It takes a list of numbers. Right, okay, the list of numbers for W and health. If W is greater than 0, append W here. Expected. Yeah, why is it doing that? For W and wall health. This should be right though. Okay, let's keep reading. Destroys a single wall, but if you look closely, you'll see that it handles multiple walls. Based on it, you might assume that destroy wall destroys a single wall. No, but if you look closely, it destroys multiple walls. So this is each wall health. These are wall healths, right? Multiple walls. The test suite expects a different function name. Take a look at the main test file to see what it's looking for and rename the function accordingly. So this is the problem. Okay. What is you? What is the problem? The test suite expects a different function name. Take a look at the main source to see what file we're looking for. Rename the function calling bonus. Rename the variables inside the function to be more descriptive. Wall health. So wrong cases, some cases, dev test input 1, expect output. Result destroy walls input. It has to be here. Name destroy walls is not defined. Do you want the wall health? Yeah. The suite expects a different function name. Oh, destroy walls. Brother. I see. For wall, if wall I don't know, fuck it, doesn't even matter. Submit. What the frick? There's a problem with the W, which is this as well. There we go, boys. Correct. Let's move on. Clean code. Make a clean code. It's easier to work with as a developer, right? The primary goal of OOP is to write cleaner code, right? Okay. Let's try to finish this. How long is classes? Holy moly! I can look, he finishes fast. Welcome to object-oriented programming. Where is this? Dry code. Okay, so another rule of thumb for writing maintainable code is don't repeat yourself. Dry. It means when possible, you should avoid writing the same code in multiple places. Repeating code can be bad because if you need to change it, you have to change it in multiple places. If you forget to change it in one place, you'll have a bug. Because we have an issue. Anyways, so don't repeat the same code. Okay, if you need to change it, you have to change it in multiple places. If you forget to change it in one place, you'll have a bug. It's more work to write it over and over again. Assignment. Your manager noticed that the Age of Dragons has a lot of repetitive code. She asks you to update the fight soldiers, right, soldiers function, so that the damage per second calculation is only written once. Notice how these two lines are practically identical. Yeah, practically identical. If we run it, does it work? I need to stop doing that. I just need to read the thing first. She's asked you to update 5 soldiers so that the damage. Okay, so it's only written once. Notice how these are. Okay, so it's soldier 1 damage times soldier 1 attack. Okay. Create a new function called get soldier DPS. That's why. Get. Oh, sorry. Get. Soldier underscore DPS. Right? And it takes in what? That takes a soldier and returns his DPS Has the same logic as line. Okay, soldier. Using the same logic as lines above. Okay, replace the 2 lines above with calls to get soldier. Oh, okay, I see how it works. So they're just getting 2 soldiers and checking it. When you could just check it with 1. So okay, what do you want me to do? Replace the 2 lines above with calls to get. Oh, I see. So you want me to say like soldier underguard DPS is equal to soldier damage times soldier attacks per second. Oh, what am I supposed to return? What the fuck? Create a new function. Get soldiers. Get soldier. Did I spell it wrong? So there. There we go. Cool. Nice, we're moving on. Dry review. In the last lesson we started with this, yeah. And refactored fancy programming with word for rewrote to write like this. Well, refactored is just okay. Dev get soldier, return soldier damage, soldier attack, yeah. So soldier 1 is get soldier DPS, soldier 1, yeah. Don't repeat yourself, right? When code is duplicated, it can lead to problems. In our example, let's pretend our co-worker, probably Alan, changed the structure of the soldier dictionary, and now the key that stores damage value is called deep DMG. In the first example, line code. Not to be fair, it's not a big deal with these 2 lines. What matter if we've done this several hundred times with 20? Yeah, it would just be a whole bunch of bullshit. Don't repeat yourself. Dry code does not make your code shorter and easier to read. Make your code faster. Make your code easier to update. Make fixing bugs faster. You only. Okay, that's true. Oh, it does. It does. Does it make your code faster? Yeah, I don't think it does. Cool. Classes. Okay. I'm gonna continue to keep doing my thing, but I'm gonna record another YouTube video because I need to save that video for Sunday because I don't think I'll be able to record. I'll be out all day. So thank you guys for being here. Means a lot. So whoever's watching this, I apologize for not solving the LeetCode problem. I am not the best yet, but just give me a week or two. Just give me like 2 weeks. Let me see how long this will take me. This object-oriented programming thing will probably take me less than a week if I grind it every day. So yeah, this object-oriented thing, I'll probably finish it in like 2 weeks, less than a week, because I don't know what I need here. Actually, let's do a quick search. Hey man, come on. What the fuck? Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, guys. I want to ask ChatGPT something. So, which of these lessons should I learn? If I have to do all of them, which should Okay, so GBT says that in this section, clean code and classes are really important. Of course, classes. I should understand classes. These two are the most important. It's saying that I don't need to take these 3 to leak code. How about this one? Even though I would like to do all of them. Fuck, I should never saved it. Okay, how about this one? I see. Thing is, should I do all of them? I don't know. Got a lot of thinking to do. Because once I finish that, I could go into data structures and algorithms. This course is gonna be crazy because I can learn so much with this. Isn't there a data structures too? Yeah. We'll see what happens. So yeah, guys, I think that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Tune in for everyday videos. Thank you for being here. Yeah. Goodbye, guys.